So, welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's topic is this is chapter 3, okay, and factors and multiples. Today's topic is factors and multiples. So, we are going to discuss about the factors and the multiples. So, let us see the introduction part. So, we have studied about the operations on numbers. In this chapter, we will study. So, what we are going to study in this chapter? Two important terms, that is factors and multiples. They are related to the operations of multiplication and division. So let us see the factors. Okay, factors of a number is the number which divide the given number completely. Like if A, B, C, D are factor of M and M will be exactly divisible by A, B, C, D. Okay, now how to get factors of a number? To find all possible factors of a number, we have to find all the numbers which divide the given number exactly. For example, these are the rules which are given to you all. Okay, the numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the unit place is divisible by 2. Okay, example 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. So the last number you all can see is 6 over here. In this the last number is 4. In this the last number is 0. Now these are all even numbers. Even the whole number 0 is there, and even the even numbers. If the number any number ending with even number, they are all divisible by 2. Remember this. And the second point is, if sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Example, sum of the digit of 254 41215 is equal to, if you add all these numbers, okay, if you all add all these numbers and if you all get 24, and if 24 is divisible by 3, therefore you all can say that this given number is divisible by 3. Okay, you all have to just add these numbers, see what answer you all are getting, then you all have to say whatever the answer you are getting is divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3, then you all can see this number is also divisible by 3. Now the third point is, if the number formed by its last two digits like ones and tens is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by like example is given over here, that is the number given is divisible by 4, has 28. Okay, the last two digit you all have to see is the last two digit which are divisible by 4. Okay, 27 divide by 4, 4 ones are 4 sevens are 28, right? So if a number has the digit 0 or 5 as unit place, obviously the number is divisible by 5. Okay, last number 0 and 5, because we get table of 5, you all can say 5, 10, 15, 20. So 0 and 5, it ends the last digit. Okay, example 5 is the unit place in the number, last number you all can see 5. Therefore this is divisible by 5. Obviously, if a number is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 6. If any number is given to you all, and if it is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then you all can say it is divisible by 6. Okay, here you all can see this number is given to you all is divisible by 6. Since it is divisible by 2, why it is divisible by 2? Because the last number is 2, even number, right? So it is divisible by 2, as well as it is divisible by 3. So if you all have to first add these numbers, whatever answer you all are getting, you all have to divide it by 3 and see. If it is getting divide, you all have to say that means it is getting divide. So as 2 is at units place and the sum of the number, you all can see the sum of the numbers is 30. And 30, obviously it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, which is divisible by 3. Next, fourth point is, if the number formed by its last 3 digit is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8, then you all can say it is divisible by 8. So example is given to you all over here. 548602136 is divisible by 8 because last 3 digit is 136, right? So has the number formed by its last 3 digit is 136, which is divisible by 3. Okay, you can even try this. 136 divide by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 10 9 10 11 12 13. So 5 56 you all are getting. 5 sevens are 8 sevens are, sorry. So obviously this is divisible by 8. So seventh point is, if sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. So sum means you'll have to add all these numbers. Example is given. 54 you all are getting. So 54 is divisible by 9, right? Thus this is divisible by 9. So because you all are getting 54 in the table of 9. The eighth point is, if the number has the digit 0 as its unit place, the number is divisible by 10. If the digit is only 0, then you all can say it is divisible by 10. Example, 0 is at the unit place in the number this. So obviously it is this numbers are divisible by 10, you all can say. So example is given. Find all the possible factors of 15. So 1, 3. Obviously in the table of 3 you all get 15. In the table of 5 also you all get 15. 15 ones are 15 you all get. So find all the possible factors of 56. So obviously 1, 2, 4. So these are the numbers which you all get. So these are the numbers which are factors of 56. Then if 3 is a factor of this, yes. Okay, is 3 is a factor of this number? Yes. Why? Sum of the digit given, if you all add all these numbers, you all get 51, and 51 is divisible by 3. How you all can make out 51 divided by 3? 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Carry 2. So 3 sevens are 21 you all will get. Okay. So it is divisible by 3. Next, let us talk about prime numbers. Okay, the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Example, factors of 5 is 1, 5. Factors of 7 will be 1, 7. You all don't get these numbers in any other table. Okay, only itself. Factors of 11 will be 1 and 11, and factors of 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. So these 5, 7 and 11 are the prime numbers. Moving towards the next page, let us see twin primes. Two consecutive prime numbers with difference of 2 are called twin primes. Example, so write two pairs of twin primes. So these 3, 5, 5, 7. So 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers, and the two pairs of numbers have a difference to be 2. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there, but what is the difference? 2. Let us see what are the composite numbers. A number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Like factors of 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 6. Because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 6 1s are 6. So same way, factors of 14 is 1, 2, 7, 14. Factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Therefore, these 6, 14 and 15 are the composite numbers. Let us see what are the perfect numbers. If sum of all factors of the number is twice of the number is called perfect number. Example, 6 is a perfect number because sum of factors 6, like 1, 2, 3, 6. If you add, you will get 12. So this is a perfect number. Next, what we have is the common factor. The same factors of 2 or more than 2 different numbers are called common factors. So example, factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 1, 2, 4 is common in both, right? So they are the common factors of 12 and 16. Next, let us see co-prime or relatively prime numbers. Okay, if two numbers have only one common factor, Okay, one factor, that is 1. Okay, if two numbers are having only one common factor, that is 1, the number are called as co-prime or relatively prime numbers. Let us see example factors of 8 like 1, 2, 4 and 8. And here factor of 9 is 139. So here you all can see that 1 is the only common factor of 8 and 9. 1 is the only common factor of 8 and 9. Therefore 8 and 9 are relatively co-prime numbers. Okay, you all can see over here 1 is the only one which is common in this. Example factors of one more example factor of 18 1 2 3 6 9 18 and factor of 27 is 1 3 9 27. So 1 is common over here, you all can see 1 is common. Then you all have 3 is common, and last 9 is common in both. Okay, so these are the common factors of 89 and 27, 1 3 9. Okay, so moving towards the next is the multiples. Let us see multiples. When two or more than two numbers are multiplied with each other, the resulting number is the multiple of all the numbers. Like if A multiplied by B is equal to C, so C is multiple of both A and B. You'll have example multiple of 7 is 7 ones are 7, like 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35 and so on. Multiple of 8 will be 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40 and so on. Right? Now let us see the common multiple. What is the common multiple? Let us see the common multiples. The same multiples of two or more than two different numbers are called common multiples. For example, with the help of the example, you will understand the concept. Multiple of 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So multiple of 4 is what? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 4 sevens are. So these are the numbers. So common multiple of 6 and 4 is nothing but you will have 12 which is common in both. You all have 24 which is common in both. You all have 36 which is common in both, right? So these are the common factors of 6 and 4, 12, 24 and 36. 12, 24 and 36. Okay, moving towards the next example. Let us take the next example. Multiple of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25 up to so on 70. Multiple of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30 and so on. Right? So common multiple of 5 and 6 will be what? What is common in both? 30 is common and 60 is common in both. So finally I have written over here common multiple of 5 and 6 is nothing but 30 and 60 and so on. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this chapter and thanks for watching. One more class I will be taking of you all. Okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.